Hello guys, and this is video number 4 of my bathroom renovation project, and in today's video I'm gonna be moving a drain line from the center to the wall for my bathtub. And first I need to remove a bit of concrete. And remove broken pieces. And I need to cut this connection and see if I have enough space for me to connect it with P-trap. When I was removing dirt, I found an old cast iron pipe left by some of the plumbers, and now I need to get it out of the dirt, and I'm gonna be using this plate, and it is perfect for cutting metal. So I removed the cast iron pipe, and as you can see it is rusty inside, and this saw made the job much easier. It took me only 2 minutes to cut this pipe. Now I need to remove some of the dirt because I'm trying to connect a P-trap, and it must have enough space so I can connect them with 90-degree PVC elbow. And always cover your opened drain line with something like I'm using here, a glove, so no dirt or rocks will get inside. Now I'm measuring how much of PVC pipe I need to make a connection, and that's it. It's very easy. And now I'm making a box for my new bathtub. And I'm using 2x4s. This is my first fit of bathtub, and it is in perfect position, and as you can see it is exactly below a drain line. Perfect. I have already glued PVC pipe with all connections, and I use this product. It comes with purple primer and all-purpose cement. I purchased PVC bath drain kit with overflow, and it is time to connect all of the parts and glue them together. So now everything fits perfectly in my bathtub, and it is time to connect it with a drain line. It is time to fill up a hole with the sand and start pouring a concrete. To smooth out a surface, just pour a bit of water on the concrete and use a piece of wood to drag it back and forth until you get a desired result. That's very easy. So now it is a final fitting and everything is in perfect position. And the reason I didn't pour concrete here is because I wanted this PVC drain line with overflow was flexible enough for me to make adjustments if I needed. So I decided to also patch some holes with a concrete I have left, and I can do it very fast using the same method I used before. As you can see, I got very smooth surface. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.